UEMR was founded in the year 2009 in Pune by Honorable Shri Kalyan Sadhav to enrich the standards of education and to give opportunity to every deserving student. Accredited by NAC and under the mentorship of COEP, it offers a vibrant learning environment on a lush 110-acre campus. With 8 undergraduate and 4 postgraduate branches, KJCOEMR emphasizes both knowledge acquisition and practical mastery, ensuring students are well prepared for the competitive world. The institution boasts modern labs, esteemed faculty, and a comprehensive library, fostering a conducive learning atmosphere. Notably, KJCOEMR has a strong placement record, with students securing positions in top companies like Infosys, Deloitte, HP, TCS, etc. Distinguished alumni, successful in various fields, reflect the Institute's commitment to excellence. Beyond academics, KJCOEMR encourages participation in extracurricular activities, cultural events, and sports, offering a well-rounded educational experience. The campus features hostels, a gymnasium, and recreational facilities, providing a holistic development environment. With a vision to nurture self-sufficient minds and a mission focused on innovative and participatory learning, KJCOEMR has earned a B++ grade from NAC. Recognition like the TPO of the Year Award and KJEI Award underscore its commitment to excellence. Under the leadership of Principal Dr. S.S. Khod, KJCOEMR stands as a beacon of determination and success. In his message to the students, he says, "A desire can change nothing. A decision can change something. But a determination can change everything."
Hello, I am Dr. Suhas Khod. I am Principal, KJ College of Engineering and Management Research. Our Engineering Institute has been established in 2009 by Honorable Kalyan Jadhav sir. He is the first generation entrepreneur in infrastructure. As far as infrastructure is concerned, we are having the world class and best infrastructure ever. Our total intake of 4 years of engineering courses is more than 1500 plus students for undergraduate as well as postgraduate. All of the majority of the staff members are having good qualification of PhD, MTech and ME in respective branches. Our students not only they aim for academics, but they are also aiming for other extracurricular activities like cultural, technical as well as sports. We deal with various laboratories, especially electric vehicle lab which has been recently developed, where we have developed electric bicycle, electric motorcycle as well as golf cart which are successfully running in the campus. We have Artificial Intelligence Center of Excellence which has been established in Computer Engineering Department, where majority of the students are working and they have already presented their papers in various international and national conferences. Various patents as well as copyrights are in their name. As far as placements are concerned, our placement is more than 80 to 90% in various international as well as multinational companies like Infosys, Accenture, Wipro, Atos, Persistent and so on. Majority of our students are working in India as well as abroad. Majority of the students of ours are, after the completion of degree, they are studying abroad for MS as well as majority of them are entrepreneurs as well. And we produce not only engineers but we produce human beings more than engineers. So I request all the parents, students and stakeholders to visit our campus once. Thank you very much.
Let's get to know about each department. Civil Engineering. This branch provides undergraduation and post-graduation course. The lab here has a UTM machine, which is useful for testing the strength of steel and concrete materials, and its capacity is 1200 kN. In 2022-23, 57.14%. And in 2021-22, 68% students were recruited. Computer Engineering. This branch provides undergraduation and post-graduation course, and it has a Center of Excellence lab. The lab got a grant of rupees 5.6 lakhs from Tirupa Technologies Private Limited, Pune. In 2022-23, 80%, whereas in 2021-22, 96.21% students were recruited. Prince Raj got the highest package of 22 LPA. Electrical Engineering. This branch provides undergraduation course. It has an EV lab. It provides the knowledge of clean energy and its environmental effects. This lab got a research grant of rupees 5.32 lakhs from ASICS Enterprises Private Limited. In 2022-23, 53%, and in 2021-22, 80.77% students were recruited. This institute also provides undergraduate course in Electronics Engineering, VLSI Design and Technologies, and Electronics and Communication, Advanced Communication Technology, and postgraduate course in Design Engineering. ENTC Engineering. This branch provides undergraduation course in both 2022-23 and 2021-22. All the students were recruited. Prithviraj Bharate from 2016-17 cleared the MPSC exam and was selected as a PSI. Mechanical Engineering. This branch provides undergraduation course. It runs a steam power plant from which students learn the basics of the steam generation. In 2022-23, 100% students, whereas in 2021-22, 91.67% students got the jobs. Rohit Masar, State Tax Inspector, and Sudhendu Shah, founder and CEO of Pride Group, are the most distinguished alumni. KJ College of Engineering has a strong placement record. In 2022-23, 78%, and in 2021-22, 87.33% students were recruited in the esteemed companies. CEO of Engine Insight Research Agency Private Limited, Pratik Dhumar. CEO of Lift Rooms, Rohit Shinde. Priya Singh Ahirwal, 2016-17 SPPU Gold Medalist. Prakash Gowde, 2017-18 SPPU Gold Medalist. There are various cultural events held at KJ College of Engineering every year. The main big yearly event is KJ Youth Fest Malhar. Students also perform in Firodia Karandak, Atal Karandak, and intercollegiate competitions. Every year, students take part in the cultural events such as Ganeshotsav, Dandiya event, and Shiva Jayanti. KJ COEMR has a professional cricket ground, turf football ground with all the necessary sports equipment. It has an Olympic-sized swimming pool too. Taking part in extracurricular activities and sports not only help you discover new aspects of your personality, but it is also useful in incorporating a skill of people management. The institute has a gymnasium, canteens, stationery shops, and food outlets. The campus has hostels for boys and girls. The environment of the hostels is clean and healthy. The hostel intake is 1200 students, boys plus girls. It provides table, chair, cupboard, bed, free Wi-Fi, hot water, drinking water, washing machine, lift, etc. KJ COEMR is on the path to nurture young minds in order to make them self-sufficient. Its vision is to be a premier knowledge center of the nation for socio-economic development. And rightly so, this prestigious institute making its mission clear to provide education that combines rigorous academics with joy of discovery through sustained efforts and dynamic strategies in building innovative, participatory, problem-based learning practices and research that leads to capacity building of the students. KJ COEMR Awards. Best Principal Awards. TPO of the Year Award in 2022. KJEI Award for its contribution in TNP work. Career Katta Award. Most Emerging Startup Award, EV Lab. VOIS Award. KJ COEMR believes its success is in the progress of its students. The students also stand in pride, making the name of the institute shine in the glory. KJ COEMR always welcomes you to its beautiful campus, where students design their career path and get the opportunity to build a launch pad to take a flight of dreams.